Welcome to the REDATS channel. Today we're introducing the REDATS C-220 TPMS service tool. It lets you quickly test, activate, read and program tire pressure monitoring sensors. The C-220 helps speed up workshop service and prevents TPMS warning light issues after tire or wheel replacement. In this video we'll show you what's included in the box. Let's get started. The device comes in a durable, hard carrying case with a dual zipper and a comfortable handle, making it easy to transport and safely store in the workshop. Inside, you'll find the original user manual, which guides you through the setup and operation step by step. It covers everything from device registration to sensor programming, cloning, basic adaptations, and coding functions. Inside the storage compartment, you'll find the power adapter and charger. It features a 5V 2A USB Type-A power supply. Next is the wireless VCI communication interface. It's compact and lightweight, so it won't get in the way while connected to the vehicle during diagnostics or when viewing live data. A useful feature is the built-in LED light hidden inside the OBD connector. It's activated by the button on the side of the interface, making it much easier to locate the vehicle's OBD port under the dashboard. The LED battery can be charged directly through the vehicle's OBD port or via the USB-C connector on the back of the interface. The same USB-C port is also used to connect the VCI to the diagnostic tablet. The USB cable is included as well. It's approximately 80 centimeters long and features USB-C connectors on both ends. A USB-C to USB-A adapter is also included, allowing you to use a single cable for charging both devices and connecting them together. On the other side of the case, you'll find the main unit, the REDATS C-220 diagnostic tablet. Besides TPMS sensor activation and programming, it also provides basic vehicle diagnostics and access to live data. If you'd like to see these functions in action, be sure to check out our other videos featuring the REDATS C-220. Now, let's take a look at the device specifications. The C-220 features a 5.5-inch LCD touchscreen with a resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels. Inside, it uses a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage for applications, reports, photos, and diagnostic data. The device runs on Android 9.0. Power is supplied by a 5000 mAh battery charged via the USB-C port we mentioned earlier. After registering the device using its serial number, you'll receive lifetime software updates at no additional cost. For full technical specifications, additional features, dimensions, weight, and the complete list of supported communication protocols, visit our website. You'll find the link in the video description. If you're interested in TPMS programming or want to see what else the REDATS C-220 can do beyond tire pressure sensors, be sure to visit our channel. We've prepared more videos dedicated to this device. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.